finding, again, the area of a composite figure. And basically a composite figure is two figures put together. So like, for example, with number 1, I know I didn't assign you guys to do that. You'd want to find the area using the semicircle, and you'd want to find the area of the rectangle and then add them together to figure that out. Number 2 is a little different. They're saying take and find the area of this rectangle and then get rid of the triangle to figure out the area of what is left right there, okay? So let's first solve it that way, and then I'll show you another way. To figure out the area of a parallelogram or rectangle, you could do A equals base times height. So A equals, the base would be, we could use 11 times the height, which would be 6. So A equals 66, and then that would be squared feet. And then let's go ahead and figure out the area of this triangle. So the base is 4, the height is 6. So to figure out the area of a triangle, that is A equals 1/2 base times height. A equals 1/2, the base was 4, and the height was 6. So half of 4 is 2, 2 times 6, that is 12. Who can tell me, now that I know what the area of this, the entire thing was 66, the little triangle was 12. What would I do to find out what is left? What would I do?
Subtract them.
Yeah, so I'm going to take basically 66 minus the 12, and I get 54. So the answer would be A equals 54 squared feet. Let me show you, though, I can see a shortcut to this one. I can actually tell that this shape here is a trapezoid. I know one of my bases is 11. What would this base be? Does anyone know what that one would be? 7, because if the whole thing is 11 and you take 4 off, so if this whole thing was 11, you take 4 off, you're left with 7, and the height is 6. So I'm actually going to do this formula. A equals 1/2 height times B1 plus B2. Either way, it's okay. You should get the same answer. Let's check this out. So A equals, we're going to change this to 0.5 because we can use our calculator. The height was 6. B1 would be like 7. B2 could be like 11. Half of 6 is 3. Whoops, I should have done my parentheses first. 7 plus 11 is 18. And then what is 3 times 18? What you got? Yeah. Either way, A equals 54 and then squared feet. So 2 different ways. One, finding the entire rectangle and subtracting the triangle. Or the other one, we just kind of figured out what the trapezoid, the shape is, and then figuring out that area.